Welcome back. Now, if you intend to use Microsoft Edge and Cortana, you are going to want to use certain default applications with Microsoft Edge. And you can change those default applications in the default application screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to search and we're going to look for default applications. Once we open up this area, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and we're going to set defaults by app. We're then going to find Microsoft Edge, and then we're going to open it. We're going to click Manage. Now, in some cases, some of these applications may be managed by Internet Explorer. You can go in and you can change them to Microsoft Edge. And once you've done the recommended settings, you can also look at other settings. For example, you might find that some applications are still being managed by Internet Explorer. You can change those applications to Microsoft Edge. And you can do the same for all of the other web browsers such as Google Chrome and Firefox. And what you're doing is you're giving yourself flexibility so that when you begin to use Voice Assistant along with Edge, you'll have more capability and control over your personal computer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.